quick start guide for beginners in graphic designing. 1. Start with the basics. To become a graphic designer, you need to know how to use computers to create layouts for both print and online. It is difficult to know which software to invest in. There are tons of software that designers use, but for beginners Adobe softwares are the best. 2. Fall in love with typography. For designers, typography is a way to use text as a visual to convey a brand message. This design element is important for graphic designers not only to build personality, convey a message, but also to grab the viewer's attention, build a hierarchy, brand recognition, harmony, and establish value and tone of a brand. Every designer has their own fondness for typography, which in some runs to obsession. 3. Become a master of working with images. Images can be a powerful force in design. Images bring an immersive quality to your designs, and can provide inspiration for the typefaces and colors you want to use on your layout. To get started with using images in your designs, you need to know how to make them work for you. You can edit images using Photoshop. 4. Understand color. Color defines the mood and personality of a layout. The biggest power behind color is their ability to evoke emotions and make people feel things, but the color meaning in graphic design can seem confusing at first, as colors often have different interpretations. It's important to not only develop a good understanding of how colors complement or clash with one another, but also how to set up color on your designs at a technical level too. 5. Learn how to prepare for print. Understanding print design basics will teach you key techniques you can carry forward into digital work, such as how to craft beautiful layouts and how to work with grids. If you ever want to be able to create print work, such as stationery, signage, or publications, it's essential that you take a little time to read about how to prepare documents correctly for print. 6. Print for online, too. Print and digital design share common traits, but generally designers choose to specialize in one or the other. Where print design is in some ways very traditional, which is both its charm and its curse, digital design is ever-changing and exciting. If you want to dip a toe into the world of digital, learning how to create simple designs for online use is a good place to start.